Hi, it's James here from Supreme. Today, I'd like to show you how to clear your browsing history from Chrome, Firefox and Edge. When you search for an image, visit a website or watch a video online, this information is recorded by the internet browser. This can be useful if you want to revisit a website, but there can be privacy concerns with this, especially if you share your device with others. Every web browser has a different way to clear your browsing history and other web browser data, and it allows you to keep your browsing history private so others can't see it. Although every internet browser requires a different method to perform this action. So how do you clear your browser history? Well, I'm here to show you how. Firstly, I'm going to show you how to clear your browsing history in Mozilla Firefox. To do this, just open Firefox, then go to the top right hand corner and click on the three bars. Then go down to Options, and then go up to the search box within Options, and then type Clear History. You'll then see the Clear History button come up. Click on this, and then you can see another window. At the top, you can choose what you want to clear. Everything from the last hour, last 2 hours, 4 hours, today, or everything. Below that, you can choose what you want to delete, whether that's browsing and download history, active logons, form and search history, cookies, or the cache. Once you've selected what you want to delete, and from when you want to delete it, just click on Clear Now. Please remember that this cannot be undone, so once you've clicked on Clear Now, your browsing history has been cleared. Now, I'll show you how to clear your browsing history in Google Chrome. To do this, open Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and then click on Settings. In the search box at the top, type History. You'll then see a few results appear. At the bottom, you'll see Clear Browsing Data. Click on that, and then you get your options to clear your browsing data. You can choose a time range from the last hour, last day, 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. And you can choose what you want to clear, such as your browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. If you go to the Advanced tab, you can also choose to delete passwords and other sign-in data, autofill form data, site settings, and hosted app data. Once you've selected what you want to delete, just click on Clear Data. This will delete the data for you. Finally, I'll show you how to clear your browsing data and history within Microsoft Edge. To do this, open Microsoft Edge, and then go to the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then click on Settings. A panel will now appear on the right hand side of the window. Go to Privacy and Security, and then click on Choose What to Clear, below Clear Browsing Data. From here, you can choose what you want to remove, such as your browsing history, cookies and saved website data, cache data and files, tabs you've recently set aside or recently closed, download history, autofill data such as forms and cards, passwords, media licenses, and website permissions. You can also choose to clear all of these options when you close Edge by checking this little button here. When you're ready to clear the history, just click on Clear. It will then say All Clear once it has been completed.
I hope this simple fix helped you today. If you have any issues or simple fixes to resolve, comment down below and we will feature your issue on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Helpdesk 101, Simple Fixes.